Hi 1A parents, I just wanted to show you how to have your child access the Flipgrid app, which we've been using a little bit this week amongst some of the 1A friends, and it was really fun. And it's just a fun way that I would like to help us to be able to connect with each other virtually. Basically, what Flipgrid does is allow your child to create a video of themselves, and then it puts it in a place that all of 1A can look at and share. So here's how you do that. First of all, the 1A, the Flipgrid app should already be installed on their iPad. If it's not, what your student needs to do, your child needs to do, is click on the Manager app, and they all know how to do this to add apps. Then they'll go to Self-Service and choose My Apps. And once it loads, there will be a search bar up here where they can type in Flip, and then they'll see the Flipgrid icon, which is the green circle with the white plus sign in it, and they'll click on that. They'll click on Install Update. They'll see a message that says command sent to the device, and then that goes away, and then they'll just X out of that, tap the home button once, and they should be able to see Flipgrid loading on their iPad. Once they find Flipgrid, what they'll do is tap on the icon and open Flipgrid. Now I'm going to do something really quickly right here. I'm going to clear this. This is what your child will see. It should say get started unless they've already accessed Flipgrid before. What they will do is click on enter Flipgrid code, and the code for our class is 1, and then it's lowercase AOWLS, 1A owls, and then they'll click the blue arrow. It prompts them to enter a student ID, and their student ID I have set up as just their first name, but it's got to start with a capital letter. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to type in Prisha since she's number 1 in our class, and I'm just going to do a capital P RISHA and click the Remember Me box so that they don't need to type that in every time, and then click the blue arrow again. And what they'll do is they will see the screen. And so it's got a video from me that I posted on Tuesday, and they can just click on the arrow right below my face to view that. And then there are some videos that 4 other friends in our class have posted. Now for them to post their own video, all they need to do is click on the green plus sign. The green circle with the plus sign. And then they just click on the camera when it comes up, and it's going to start recording a video. I've set the timer on their video to record, and I'm just like sitting here in my office. So they have set it up for them to record for 3 minutes or less. So when they're done, they will just go ahead and click the 2 lines at the bottom, and then they're going to see a camera, and they'll also see an arrow. So if they go ahead and when click it comes the arrow, and it's going to start recording a video. So they need to click I've set the timer on their video to record, and and then there's a little message at the top, and it says take a selfie. So they'll click the camera, and it takes a selfie, and then they click the green arrow again, and you'll see their name, and then it says submit video at the bottom. So they'll click on submit video, and then return to grid, and then you'll see their picture with their selfie and their name. So hopefully they don't look as tired as I do, but that is how you use Flipgrid.